This is Dhaka Secondary School and College, North Karachi. I am Sir Nisar. I am going to teach you chemistry, chapter number 3, atomic structure. Introduction of atom. In the 5th century, the Greek philosopher Democritus expressed his belief that all types of matter is made up of tiny, indivisible, indestructible particles called atomos. Atomos is a Greek word. It means not cuttable, nowadays called atom. Now, what is the Dalton atomic theory? John Dalton was an English school teacher. In the year 1808, he suggested the fundamental ideas of atomic theory. The main points of his theory are given below. Number 1, all elements are made up of small, tiny, indivisible and indestructible particles called atom. Atoms of the same elements are alike in all respects, but they are differ from the atom of other elements. It means the atom of hydrogen will always same in size, same in nature, same in shape, but they are differ from the atoms of oxygen. Compounds are found. Number 3, compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine together. We can say that chemical changes takes place when atoms combine together or separate from each other. And atoms always combine together in a fixed, simple multiple numbers ratio. A chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms, but atoms themselves are not changed. It means atoms can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. Atomic theory. After removing the discrepancies of Dalton atomic theory, a new theory is formed known as modern atomic theory. After the discovery of electron, proton and neutron, it is found that atom is not an indivisible and indestructible particle, but it is a composition of different small tiny particles, electron, proton and neutron. It is a complex composition. And after the discovery of isotopes, it is found that the atoms of same elements can be differ from each other. Like hydrogen has 3 types of isotopes, 3 types of atoms, protium, deuterium and tritium of atomic mass 1, 2 and 3. So they can be differ from each other. These two points are modified from the Dalton atomic theory. In modern atomic theory, the structure of atom is explained that atom consists of 2 parts. One is center of atom, which is called nucleus, and extranuclear part, which is around the nucleus, consists of orbital. These orbitals are around the nucleus in which electrons are revolving and are said to be extranuclear part of atom. This was the modern atomic theory. Thank you.